Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Nothing Phone 2 versus OnePlus 11R versus Samsung Galaxy S23. So let's see the full video. Now part display comparison, display type, display size, display resolution, screen to body ratio, PPI density, always on display, screen protection. Now part design comparison, has dimensions, has weight, body frame, SIM slot, IP rating. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, has card slot. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic processing unit, operating system. Now for rear camera comparison, rear first camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, has flash. Now for selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, has positioning, has NFC, USB connectivity. Now for sensors comparison, has fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro and compass, color spectrum. Now for battery comparison, battery capacity, battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, stereo speakers, has 3.5 mm jack. Now for features comparison, has network type, has announcement. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and make sure to subscribe. Pak Gadgets Compare.